What's up, family? How's everybody doing tonight? I know this is a late video. I was just really busy today, guys, with my kids and just, daddy duties. This is your boy Jaime G coming at you on this Sunday to let you guys know what's going on in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. I'm the guy on YouTube that brings you developing and breaking news in Doge and overall crypto markets. Guys, we got a lot to cover, so we're just going to dive right into the content. None of this is ever financial advice, guys, all right? It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, let's get it. All right, guys, Bitcoin is at 47,527. It is up 1.71% for the day. We have Ethereum sitting at 3,287. That is up 1.33. Not too bad for the two ape predators in the digital assets, right, out of the top 10. You know what I mean? These two are looking good, baby. Bitcoin has just been pumping over the whole weekend, guys. I mean, granted, we did go down just a little tad bit to, I think it was 45,000 and some change. But nonetheless, Bitcoin is just still continually doing what it's doing, guys. This bull run is definitely not over. Anyways, enough of those guys there. Now, let's get into the main superstar of the day, guys. Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been doing its thing, guys, for like the past month, right? I'm going to show you on the chart. Dogecoin has been doing really good, guys. Anyways, all right, we are currently sitting at 33 cents right now, guys. We're up 11% for the day. We had a 24-hour low of 28 cents and a 24-hour high of 34 cents. We have a market cap right now sitting at $44.12 billion, and volume is what? Has majorly gone up since yesterday. That's obviously why the price has gone up, and it's the weekend, guys. Usually it's the opposite. During the weekend, volume is usually lower, but for some reason, for whatever reasons, Doge's volume is off the Richter scale. We're at, not off the Richter scale, but it's at $7.73 billion in the last 24 hours, right? Up what? Up almost $4 billion, right? Because we were at 4 yesterday, right? So now we're at 4, almost 8, which makes us almost at 4 billion. Anyways, enough of the stats. Now let's dive right into the chart, right? I want to show you some technicals here real quick. Show you guys, man, things have been looking really sexy for Dogecoin, guys. As for me, guys, I always like to look at the daily chart. Okay, so this is the daily chart. I have a channel right here, guys, for you, and I just wanted to show you. Okay, so now the beginning of this channel is when we broke out of that descending triangle on July 21st, when I had been telling you guys that we broke out of a descending triangle and we have broke to the upside, right? Well, this is the channel, and I'm trying to show you on the chart on how we are trending up. We are majorly trending up, right? So we have a lot of bullish technicals, right? Ever since the 21st, we broke out of that descending triangle, and as you can see in this channel, we are trending up, right? We broke past the 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and now we passed the 100-day moving average. All of this within 30 days, right? We flipped all those trends, right? We made all those resistance into supports. Now the 100-day moving average is currently going to be our support for now, which is at 30 cents. Okay, guys, that'll be our for now, but we'll show you that. I'll show you that here in a second. I just wanted to show you guys on the chart, on this bullish channel that we're in, right? And we're in an uptrend, right? And I think we're going to continue to push up. Now we might pull back and consolidate for a couple days or so, which is healthy for any markets, right, guys? And which is something we want. We don't want it to just go parabolic, right? Because if it goes up that fast, it'll come down even faster. So we do want it to pull back and to consolidate. But all right, guys, so I just wanted to show you this channel right here real quick. Now let's dive into the levels of resistance and support here. Let me get myself out of here. Let me get rid of this here real quick for you guys, if it lets me. Of course, it's not gonna let me. All right, well, what's going on here? My thing froze up. What the heck? Oh, here we go. So, guys, I want to show you here moving average. Okay, so now the 100-day, okay, guys, is at 30 cents, and that is going to be our support. Okay, as you can see right here, that's at 30 cents, guys. As you can see, the big candle where we broke out yesterday, we're right we tested it yesterday, right? But we definitely bounced right off of it, and we made that our support, right? So that's our level of support, is at 30 cents. 42 cents, guys, is our level of resistance. Now I have a white line here. Let me shrink myself up here, guys. Sorry. So as you can see, right, guys, I have a white line right here, okay? Now that's the level of resistance. Now that's at 40, it's at technically 0.4258, right? So that's 42 cents. And the reason why for me that is our level of resistance is Okay, so when we hit our all-time high of 74 cents, we dipped all the way down. We dipped down, right, for a good, took a big dip. And then we shot back up to 42 cents, right? So basically this is like our second all-time high, right? If that makes any sense, right? From 74, we dipped down to the mid 30s, and then we shot back up to the 42 cents right here, right, guys? And then we continued on a downtrend, right? We were in a descending triangle ever since this, right? So in my opinion, this is our levels of resistance right here, is at 42 cents. Okay, so resistance is 42 and support is at 30 cents for now. Okay, so that is the takeaway from the chart. Now let's get into some fundamentals here, guys. I got a lot of stuff to get into. All right, let's get into this one here first here. Now this is an article. It's about Mark Cuban, right? It says Doge is people's way to pay, as 95% of my customers choose Dogecoin. Billionaire Mark Cuban says. All right. And he's responding to a tweet, right? Because somebody had tweeted, right? So he was kind of upset about it. It says, in a recent Twitter thread, Mark Cuban, a billionaire Shark Tank co-host and owner of the Dallas Mavericks Dogecoin team, stated that Doge has become the people's way to pay, as a majority of this company's clients are choosing to buy products with. Okay. Then it says Mark Cuban has rejected the allegations of Jason Williams, a Bitcoin maxi and a partner of Morgan Creek Digital, about shilling Dogecoin. Now, shilling, guys, is basically trying to pump Dogecoin, right? That's what shilling means for those of you that don't know. The billionaire stated that he does not shill Doge. What he does shill, according to him, is his services and goods of the companies he owns and runs, according to him. The meme crypto Doge has become a very popular means of payment among the majority of clients. 95% of them, the tweet says, choose Dogecoin to pay when buying goods or services from these companies, including merchandise from the Dallas Mavericks team. The billionaire has referred to Doge as the people's way to pay. Right, and this right here was him responding back to the tweet, right, from Jason down here. It says, Mark, these are all old takes from 2017. We went over all of this. Buy a stack of Bitcoin and stop the Doge shill. This is a joke meme coin with no devs and no theoretical supply limit. This is not good money whatsoever, right? And then he responded back with this, what he said here in his tweet, what I just read to you guys, right? And, you know, basically saying that 95% of his company are sales in Doge, guys, and that's a good thing, right? Because hopefully we're hoping that Doge can become like a form of payment, right? So that's a good thing, all right? So that is one of the articles I wanted to share with you guys. Now, this one here I think is a good one, right, guys? Now, it says, how Dogecoin could reach $1, according to Matt Wallace. And I truly believe we will hit $1 by the end of this year, guys. I really do. It says Mark Wallace is close, as you can get to a Dogecoin expert on his YouTube channel, Final Stand. Wallace covers everything under the moon when it comes to Dogecoin. The channel has assembled nearly 250,000 subscribers, and Wallace has more than 200,000 followers on Twitter, where his interaction with Tesla CEO Elon Musk. It says, what happened earlier in the year, Wallace was featured on Benzinga's Powerhouse, where he gave an ambitious Dogecoin price target of $1. All right, now then it goes on to say Benzinga followed up with Wallace this week to see if his views have changed. He said, when you look at the metrics behind the scenes, you can see a lot of the energy coming in on this recent run from its other countries, Wallace said. A lot of the past runs have been primarily and almost exclusively, really, for most of the big action in the United States, he added. This time, you're seeing Binance players playing a bigger role, and that's one of the top exchanges in the world. It's not as popular in the US, which means that we are now seeing markets most likely in Asia and Europe starting to really move to accumulate Doge more, which I think is going to lead up to the next big leg up. And I agree as well, right, guys? So basically what he's saying is that, you know what I mean, when we hit our all-time highs, it was mainly because of us traders, or us investors rather, that invest in Doge, right? But now, you know, it's a combination of United States, Asia, and Europe, right? And that's why he truly believes, you know, the combination of all three countries are going to push it up to that $1. Basically, that's what he's trying to say right here. Says more of international base this time around Dogecoin has a higher chance of reaching the exclusive $1 mark, Wallace said. There are other catalysts as well, he noticed, such as Dogecoin going to the actual moon as a billionaire in space. My price prediction for Doge is that we're absolutely going to pass $1. I still think that's inevitable, Wallace said. It does take a few things to go right, but at the very least, if it doesn't happen quickly, when we see a physical Dogecoin being placed on the physical moon to the space billboard, all of that is going to cause the price to move upward. If it doesn't happen quickly, it will happen eventually. Dogecoin was trading around 30 cents at press time. The cryptocurrency all-time high is 74 cents according to CoinDesk. All right, guys. Now let's get into this article here. Now it says Doge price analyst, Dogecoin eyes break of 100 MA. Here are the next price targets, right? So basically it's talking about on how we broke the 100-day moving average, which was our level of resistance for quite some time. But we broke it, guys, and now we're headed to the moon, baby. All right, guys. And it says Doge price has risen nearly 40% in the last week. It says Doge bulls are attempting to break the 100-day moving average, which we have, baby, so it's on and cracking. Now it says an ascending triangle has held the price in an upward trend, and that is the ascending channel that I showed you guys on the chart, guys, showing that the price has been going up since July 21st, since we broke out of a descending triangle. Right now we have an ascending channel and we're trending up, guys. It says Doge price is struggling to gain traction. You know what, I'm not even going to read all that. If you guys want to look into this, you guys can. Right, guys, this is in CoinGrape, guys. I just wanted to show you real quick, right, on how it's talking about and how it's kind of correlating with what I've been sharing with you guys in my last couple videos, right? All right, guys, and I'm going to close out with this article right here for you guys. Now it says Dogecoin price captures 24-hour double-digit gains following social media hype. It says the notorious Dogecoin has been moving northbound in value once again, climbing more than 17% during the last 24 hours and 32% over the course of a week. Not too shabby, huh, guys? Currently across social media platforms like Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook, the hashtag Dogecoin to $1 has been trending. Meanwhile, a number of other meme-based digital assets leverage the Shiba Inu Doge breed as a name or logo have also seen significant jumps in value. Now it says Dogecoin spiked 17% this weekend, supports Blast, the brand, across social media. It says when programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer launched the Dogecoin network on December 6, 2013, they never expected the meme-based cryptocurrency asset would grow so wildly. In fact, the Shiba Inu dog inspired cryptocurrency crafted over 7 years and 8 months ago as a joke is now 44.42 billion economy. On Sunday, August 15th, Dogecoin supporters have been rallying on TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook with the hashtag Dogecoin to $1. At the time of writing, the hashtag trend on Twitter has thousands of tweets mentioning it. Right, then you got one here. It says Dogecoin to $1, cool, calm, collected. Right, guys. Then it has a bunch of showing some other tweets right here, guys. I'm not going to get too deep into the article here, guys, but I just wanted to briefly share it with you guys, right? Then I'm going to finish out this paragraph. It says data from bitfinalcharts.com shows that the cost per transactions on the network is 0.0056 Doge per byte, which equals to 2.11 Doge, which is basically around 71 cents per transaction. Today, on-chain metrics shows Dogecoin has seen around 17,900 transactions during the course of the last 24 hours. On Sunday, August 15, the Dogecoin network hash rate has been coasting along at around 214.48 terahash per second. Dogecoin's network proof of work script system, in contrast to Bitcoin's POW of total work, would need 526 confirmations to be as secure as one of the Bitcoin transactions. It says Dogecoin saw around 41,000 per day in mid-March, and the currency is down 53% from its all-time highs. The crypto asset Dogecoin tapped the all-time high of 73 cents 3 months ago. All right, guys, but we already know, guys, over the last year, we're still sitting up, like, I think it's not up 9,000%, guys. Anyways, this is what your boy had, man. I'm sorry that I came really, really late with this video. Hopefully, it was informative, insightful. Remember, guys, support is at 30 cents and resistance is 42 cents for now, in my opinion. But you guys stay blessed and have a great night. Hopefully, you guys watched the video to the end. If you did, thank you very much, and I appreciate your time. Stay blessed until tomorrow. Peace.